A cryptocurrency, or crypto, is a digital currency that can be used to buy goods and services, but uses an online ledger with strong cryptography to secure online transactions. Much of the interest in these unregulated currencies is to trade for profit, with speculators at times driving prices skyward. So today in this video I will explain all about Dogecoin. So watch this video till end. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is an open-source peer-to-peer cryptocurrency founded in 2013 by software engineers Billy Markus and Jackson Palmer, who decided to create a payment system as a joke, making fun of the wild speculation in cryptocurrencies at the time. Dogecoin features the face of the Shiba Inu dog from the DOGE meme as its logo and namesake. 2021 has been a record-breaking year for Dogecoin. The digital currency started the year with a trading price of half a cent. By early May, its price had skyrocketed to 72 cents. Similar to other cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin runs on blockchain technology. Its rise in popularity coincided with an increase in retail investing during the pandemic as well as frequent Twitter attention from the well-known entrepreneur Elon Musk. In fact, the price of Dogecoin rose to a high of 74 cents on May 8, 2021. An increase of more than 15,700% from the levels it was at the start of the year. Special features of Dogecoin. Dogecoin has a few important features that set it apart from other digital currencies. First, there's no finite number of Dogecoins that can be mined. This is quite different from Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency to date, which has a lifetime cap of 21 million coins. The infinite number of Dogecoins could make it highly inflationary. The other feature that sets Dogecoin apart from other popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin is the way it's mined. Because it's mined using scrypt technology, Dogecoins can be mined significantly faster than some other digital currencies. Mining of Dogecoin. Cryptocurrency mining occurs by individuals completing mathematical and algebraic formulas. It can be done either individually or in a group, known as pool mining. Dogecoin is unique from other popular cryptocurrencies in the way that it's mined. These coins are mined using scrypt technology, which is often faster than other forms of cryptocurrency mining. Total supply of Dogecoin? When Dogecoin was originally created, it was announced there would be a maximum supply of 100 billion coins. Since then, the founders have decided to eliminate the cap, allowing for an infinite number of coins. As of June 14, 2021, there are a little over $130 billion Dogecoins in circulation. Factor price spike in Dogecoin? Retail investing has increased significantly throughout 2020 and 2021, according to a Charles Schwab survey. This increase isn't directly related to Dogecoin, but could certainly have contributed to its rise in trading activity. Finally, many credit the rise in popularity of Dogecoin with the frequent online attention of Elon Musk. The entrepreneur frequently tweets about this digital currency. He drew particular attention to Dogecoin on May 11, 2021, when he tweeted a poll asking whether Tesla should start accepting Dogecoin. Later in the month, Musk shared that he's working with the Dogecoin developers to make improvements and create efficiencies with the coin and invited individuals to share their feedback with him and the developers. Future of Dogecoin? The price will rise to 57 cents by the end of 2021 and reach 76 cents by the end of 2022. The coin is predicted to hit $1 in April 2024. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.